Hello everyone! Make a ponytail out of your hair and secure it with a fancy backbone from the lower part of your ponytail. Divide your hair into sections neatly. Do small little plaits out of it and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Just repeat the same process with the other half of your hair. Use your fingers and make it look like this. Roll both the halves of your hair to the upper part of your hair and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. See how neat and clean it looks. Tie your hair tight in the form of a ponytail. Let it a little loose and secure it with a fancy back pin from the lower part of your hair. Comb the upper part of your hair properly and tie it with a rubber band in this manner. Make it look fluffy and cleanly. Put the remaining part of your upper hair inside that fluffy part. Oh my god, see how magnificent it looks. Tie yourself tight in the form of half ponytail with the lower part of your hair inside it. Take the remaining sections of your hair and comb it properly. Tie it with a rubber band and comb it properly. Then take a little section of the lower hair, hold it with the upper part of the hair and put it cleanly inside that rubber band. Tie the remaining part of your hair in clean plaits. Tie it cleanly with the rubber band and twist it to the upper parts of your hair to make it look like this. See how awesome it looks. Tie yourself in the form of half ponytail. Take the remaining part of the hair and tie it with a rubber band. Make a gap between the hair. Put the lower part of the hair inside it and roll it to the upper part of your hair. Secure it with a bobby pin. It looks like a ribbon. Tie half of your hair with a rubber band and twist it inside the gap in between the rubber bands. Take the remaining sections of your hair and tie it with another rubber band. Tie the lower end of your hair with a rubber band and give it a spiral look like this. Roll it upwards and secure it with your favorite back pin. Tie your hair in the form of a ponytail. Use your finger to make gaps between the hair. Put your hair inside it and comb the remaining part of your hair properly. Give it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands of hair from behind. Secure the lower end of your hair with a rubber band. Roll it upwards and use your favorite backbone to secure it like this. See how clean it looks. Thanks for watching.